start by doing a quick unboxing. So the hair comes in this lovely packaging. I've got my wig cap on, so I'm ready to go. So when you open it up, you've got the hair itself, and then inside the box you've got loads and loads of helpful bits. And we also have a band to flatten down your edges. Also got, I think, another one of those. Band to melt your edges, nice and elasticy. And they also threw in a nice pair of lashes, an edges comb, edges brush, a wig cap, a satin bag to keep your wig in, and a nice bit of elastic which I'm going to use to fasten to the hair. Let's take the hair out of the bag and have a nice look at it. So the hair comes just packaged up like this, with a nice net on it just to keep its shape. And this is what she looks like. I'll take the plastic out so you guys can see. But that's the lace. It's pretty deep. So what we're going to do is insert the band into the unit. I'm just going to speed this bit up because I tend to like mostly glueless. But then I also have my Got to Be Blast and Freeze spray, which should just keep it nice and secure. I'm gonna sew in this band. I'm just gonna measure it around the back of my head. So I just want it to be nice and secure. So I'll do about that much, and then I'll basically cut off the rest of this.
We got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are.
Okay, so I have inserted the band, so I'm just gonna put her on. So basically put the band over to the back of my head, and then pull her down, and then just keep pulling it back until I'm comfortable with the placement. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to cut out the sideburns.
But we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down.
Careful not to cut your own hair doing this. Okay. And then we can cut some lace off. I just like to do a little zig-zag pattern just to mimic, you know, the natural hairline.
my toes, baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when.
So the hairline is looking a bit straight. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this edge comb. I'm going to bring down some baby hairs. It's looking very, very wiggish. So we're going to bring down. I like to do some on each side.
I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. Yeah.
Then I'm going to take some Gorilla Snot Gel onto the back of my hand. Use the edge brush that they gave me. I just take a little bit on the side. So look these baby girls in, honey.
Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. We're done now. No words no more. No, no. Yeah.
So we've got that side done. And then we're just gonna bring the hair down. Then we're gonna use the band to lay down these girls. While I do that, just gonna spritz the rest of the hair. Comb it a bit. Then I don't need to like lay them down for too long because the gel is pretty good at doing that job. Part it to the side that I want to part it to. Just let it fluff out a bit. I just have to get used to like edges. But yeah, that is the finished look. And yeah, thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's a lovely, lovely, versatile wig. Super fluffy, super thick, super full. Really nice lace. Very, very HD. I think this could be my winter style. So if you like this video, check out the description box below for a link to this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
It's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me, will we on a date? keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.